All right, so like I've been saying for the past year and a half to 2 years that I'm gonna work on a consistent schedule with live streaming. Here it is, starting Saturday, June 13th. I have 3 live streams scheduled, and this is gonna be like my format going forward. Kind of scheduling the live streams a week in advance, so I don't have any excuse to have something pop up in my schedule. Because y'all know I have a hectic schedule; it's all over the place. So I know if I schedule these things out in advance and then tell you guys about it, hopefully you guys can jump in. Hopefully you can do the full workout and be there live. But if not, if you can't be there live, if 7 o'clock is too early for you, the workouts are going to be recorded, so you can play them back as many times as you like, and you can jump into the future sessions as well. But yeah, guys, I know I've been talking about this for a while now, and this is me buckling down, trying to get these things consistent, and trying to have let you guys know ahead of time. So like I said, if you can jump in, I know it's early. I know you probably want to sleep in, kick your feet back a little bit, relax on the weekend after a hectic week. But hey, I'm telling you, your body deserves some a good workout. It'll take care of you. I promise you. You won't regret it at all, and you'll feel good for the rest of the weekend. And you can say that you did it. You can say that you got your workout in. Each of the sessions is going to be 25 minutes, so nothing crazy at all. If you can dedicate hours to Netflix and just sitting on the couch, you can dedicate 25 minutes to your health. So, like I said, guys, you ain't got nothing to lose, but maybe a little bit of sleep. But it's gonna be all right. You can get your sleep back. Just go back to sleep afterwards if you're not feeling energized or if you're feeling exhausted. But anyways, guys, I don't want to ramble on too long. Again, workouts will be linked down in the description if you can make it. If not, they will be recorded and available afterwards. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all there.